In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to arrange a carrier pickup in Shippo. If you'd rather have a driver come to you than make a trip to the post office, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set it up from your Shippo dashboard, from selecting the right carrier to saving your confirmation. Start by signing in to your Shippo account and heading to the Shipments page on your dashboard. This is where all your labels and orders live. Take a moment to locate the shipment or shipments you want the driver to collect. If you're sending out multiple packages, make sure they're all visible here so you can include everything in the same request. Next, open the Schedule Pickup drop-down. You'll see options for USPS or DHL Express. Choose the carrier that matches the labels for the packages you're sending out. If your labels are USPS, select USPS. If they're DHL Express, select DHL Express. Keeping the pickup aligned with the carrier on your labels prevents any confusion during collection. Before you submit the request, review the package details that Shippo displays. Confirm the number of packages and the total weight, and make sure it reflects what's actually being picked up. Carriers rely on this information to plan their routes and may use it to determine capacity, so accuracy matters. It's also a good moment to ensure your boxes are sealed, labeled clearly, and staged in an easy-to-reach spot for the driver. When everything looks correct, click Schedule Pickup. Shippo will process the request and then display a confirmation number along with the pickup date right on the Shipments page. That confirmation is your proof that the carrier received the request. Save it by taking a quick screenshot or jotting it down, and keep it handy until the pickup is complete, just in case you need to reference it with support. One important note: you won't choose a specific pickup time here. The carrier sets the pickup window based on their routing for the day. To make sure you don't miss the driver, have your packages ready at the start of your business day, keep the pickup area visible and accessible, and listen for a knock or doorbell. If you have a front desk or mailroom, let them know a pickup is scheduled so the handoff is smooth. And that's it. You've scheduled a carrier pickup in Shippo without any extra trips. Review your shipments, choose USPS or DHL Express, confirm the details, schedule, and save your confirmation. Enjoy the time you'll get back by letting the carrier come to you.